Look, boys, when you're trying to elevate your style, you want to look more expensive, more luxurious. You don't even have to break the bank. Matter of fact, there's 6 pieces in my personal collection that every time I put them on, these pieces are crazy affordable, but instantly make me look more expensive. Let me explain. Number 1, it's your sweats. With the rise of luxury leisure wear and it being more and more acceptable to wear sweats out in public, you buy yourself quality, thick sweats, you can actually dress them up with a formal piece and instantly you look elevated, you look expensive, but we all know sweats won't break the bank. Sweats are affordable. One of my favorite moves to do is I'll throw on a sweatsuit, I'll put on some sneakers and then a top coat. I am crazy comfortable all day, but my style looks elevated. You look expensive. Number 2, recycled clothing. See, there's a lot of companies nowadays that are trying to recycle plastics and other materials that we have been throwing in the environment to reach a carbon neutral state where they can give you useful products that actually look good and they're going to be affordable because it's using a recycled material that's already been processed. One of the greatest examples is probably our sponsor, Nothing New. I've talked to you guys about these before, but the cool part is that they just dropped their deluxe model, which these things are sick. Ever since I got them, I have not taken them off my feet. See, they're designed like that classic minimal white leather sneaker that most designer houses will charge you like $500 for. So on feet and your entire fit, it looks pricey. It looks like you probably paid $200-300 for them. And it makes sense. They're made out of Italian leather. But it's not just any Italian leather. It's actually recycled leather. And that's the cool part. See, Nothing New is on a mission to reach a carbon neutral state. And basically everything of the shoe, there's nothing new about it. Yo, just the branding on itself is genius, which should tell you a lot about the quality that these shoes have. See, everything from the shoe has been recycled. Even the box that it arrives in, it's a recycled box. And on top of that, even the shipping for the product, they are buying back carbon credits to reach that carbon neutral state. So not only are you great for the environment, but you look great on your feet. Now, like I mentioned, yes, this is using Italian leather. Yes, it looks like a high-end designer shoe, but the crazy part is that it's affordable. See, since you're recycling something that it's already been processed before, you can now transform that product into something useful, something that looks expensive, something that's great for the environment, and something that looks great on you. If you guys want to try an affordable piece that will instantly make you look more expensive, you need that classic, basic, premium leather sneaker. Yo, you got to check out Nothing New. Their new deluxe model drops in 3 new colorways. Like I said, it's affordable. Like, it's crazy affordable. And it not only makes a great gift for yourself, this is the type of shoe you'll wear every single day of the week, but it also makes a great gift for somebody that you love. You give that to your brother, your dad, your friend. They're going to have a hell of a Christmas gift. And again, you're not going to be breaking the bank. You're not going to be dropping cash on unnecessary products. If you guys want to check out Nothing New's deluxe model, I'm going to have it linked down below. Like I said, this makes a great pickup. Number 3 are tailored black pants. I don't care if they're from Walmart, Zara, or H&M. I've showed all 3 in the past. Once you get them tailored, a black pair is great because of the low contrast. You can't see the imperfections or the cheap sew or the cheap material. You just see a sleek pair of pants that fits right and instantly elevates any fit. You can pair that with a shirt, with a polo, or with a tee, and you'll look expensive even though those pants probably cost you $20 and the tailoring cost you $10. Number 4, a merino wool sweater. More than explaining, I want to show you. See here, I'm wearing your basic jeans and a t-shirt. Yeah, you look good, you look comfortable, everything fits right, but notice what happens when I replace that t-shirt for a merino wool sweater. Instantly, I look more expensive. I look like I spent a lot of money in my outfit, and in reality, it takes the same amount of effort and it's just as comfortable. Don't ask me why. Merino wool just looks money, and the crazy part is that it's not gonna cost you a lot. Yo, you can go to H&M, get a 100% merino wool sweater for under $40, and when they're on sale, you can get them for $20. This is a killer piece to have in your wardrobe to elevate it. Number 5, add a 20-inch necklace. I don't know why, but a thin 18 to 20-inch necklace instantly elevates your fit. See, you don't want to make it too long or too thick, because then you start edging onto the tacky territory where it doesn't look so classy anymore. Instead, you want something super thin, around 2 to 4 millimeters, and then you want it short around the neck, around 18 to 20 inches. These types of chains look great, and the best part, it doesn't have to be gold, it doesn't have to be silver. You can get it in stainless steel. That minimal design just peeping through will elevate any fit that you throw it on. And finally, number 6, stick to darker colors. Look, when you're trying to look more expensive, your best bet buy dark colors. Whether you're shopping from Walmart, Target, H&M, Zara, whatever low-end brand that you're shopping from that you want it to look elevated, keep your colors dark. Lighter colors tend to have more contrast, therefore you're able to see some of the imperfections, whether it's on the sewing, on the thin fabric, on the cheap design. Instead, keeping your outfits dark looks sleek, it looks classy, it removes any visual interruptions, and overall, you look better. And that's basically it for today's video, guys. Those are 6 items that you can add to your wardrobe to instantly make it look expensive. That's it for me today. See you next time.